I was just thinking to myself, if I don't do it, who gonna do it for me? If I don't hit these weight rooms, if I don't get off in these gyms, if I don't lift up all these pounds right here, ain't nobody gonna do it for me. And I'm gonna be the one lost. I'm gonna be the one unsuccessful. I'm gonna be the one not with nothing. Bro, I can't let that happen. Gotta make something of myself. I gotta do something with my body. You feel me? You gonna see your boy holding it down. Might have been a long time for the struggle, but believe me, it was well worth the wait. It's game time, baby. BBG bastard.